Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and my dear students and friends. Happy Independence Day to all. Honorable Sir, it is 14th August 2021. It is the 76th independence celebration of our dear Pakistan. Pakistan is the result of years of struggles and sacrifices given by our Muslim leaders. Dear Sir, Muslims could not live freely under British dominance. Our culture, language, and our religious values were at the stake. It was therefore necessary for Muslims to have free land. That's how we got independence. Dear friends, now it is our responsibility to protect our motherland, Pakistan. There is a huge responsibility on our shoulders. We have to work day and night for the progress and welfare of our motherland, Pakistan. Thank you. Pakistan Zindabad.